Welcome to the world of AI. Today, we will learn about the fascinating field of artificial intelligence and how it is shaping our future.
AI is all around us, from voice assistants to self-driving cars. Let's explore the key concepts and applications of AI. Machine learning is a fundamental aspect of AI. It enables computers to learn and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focuses on neural networks. It has revolutionized AI by enabling computers to recognize patterns and make complex decisions. Natural language processing, NLP, allows computers to understand and interact with human language. It powers chatbots, voice assistants, and language translation. Computer vision enables computers to analyze and understand visual data. It has applications in image recognition, object detection, and autonomous vehicles. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. Let's explore some real-world applications. Ethical considerations are crucial in the development and deployment of AI. We must ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. As AI continues to advance, it is important for individuals to upskill and stay updated. Let's explore some resources and learning opportunities. Join the AI revolution and be part of the future. Together, we can shape a world powered by intelligent machines. Thank you for joining us on this AI journey. Remember to subscribe for more exciting content and stay tuned for future updates. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the power of AI. Together, we can unlock endless possibilities.